dreaming of golden beaches, colourful streets, and centuries of history, all in one unforgettable destination. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 must-see places in and around Alicante, Spain. From ancient castles perched high above the Mediterranean to vibrant seaside towns bursting with culture, you won't want to miss what's coming up in this comprehensive guide to one of Spain's most enchanting coastal cities. 10. Castle of Santa Bárbara. No trip to Alicante is complete without visiting this magnificent landmark fortress majestically perched atop Mount Benacantil. Dating back to the 9th century, this imposing castle overlooks the old town and pristine beaches with absolutely incredible panoramic vistas. You can either challenge yourself with a scenic hike up the winding paths or take the convenient elevator built right into the mountainside. Join an expert-led guided tour to uncover centuries of fascinating Spanish history, admire the impressive fortress architecture with its ancient walls and watchtowers, and soak in breathtaking 360-degree views of the sparkling city and Mediterranean coast below. 9. Villajoyosa. Just under an hour's journey from Alicante lies the charming town of Villajoyosa, famous for its stunning rainbow-coloured houses that line narrow medieval streets. Begin your exploration at the hilltop and wander through lively, winding alleyways that gradually descend to a picturesque seafront promenade, lined with inviting bars and authentic Spanish restaurants overlooking pristine sandy beaches. Don't miss the renowned local chocolate factory for a deliciously sweet twist to your visit, where you can learn about traditional chocolate-making methods and sample some of Spain's finest confections. 8. Explanada de España. This elegant palm-lined promenade is one of Alicante's most beloved icons, masterfully paved with over 6 million red, black and cream marble tiles, arranged in a mesmerizing wave pattern. As the Mediterranean sun sets, talented street performers, local artists, and traditional food vendors bring the walkway to vibrant life. Cross the nearby modern pedestrian bridge to reach Alicante Marina and savor a memorable dinner at one of the many sophisticated waterfront restaurants while taking in the lively evening atmosphere and twinkling harbour lights. 7. Postiguet Beach set. Dramatically at the base of Santa Bárbara Castle, this pristine sandy beach is ideal for sunbathing, swimming in crystal-clear waters, or simply relaxing by the gentle Mediterranean waves. Popular among locals and visitors alike for its central location and beautiful views of the sea and castle, it's the perfect spot to spend a laid-back afternoon reading under a colourful umbrella, sipping refreshing cocktails at beachfront bars, or watching elegant sailboats drift lazily across the horizon. 6. Torrevieja Pink Lake. A short scenic drive from Alicante brings you to the dazzling pink lake of Torrevieja, its striking rosy hue created by special microalgae and unique mineral compositions. Late summer is undoubtedly the best time to visit, when thousands of elegant flamingos gather here, creating a truly breathtaking natural spectacle that photographers and nature lovers won't want to miss. 5. Basilica of Santa Maria. Dating back to the 14th century, this architectural masterpiece stands as Alicante's oldest active church. Its striking Valencian Gothic design, complemented by intricate Baroque and Rococo details, makes it an absolute must-see for history and architecture enthusiasts. Beyond its remarkable architectural beauty, the basilica plays a central role in local traditions and cultural life, especially during Holy Week celebrations and other significant religious festivals throughout the year. 4. Alicante Archaeological Museum, MARC. History lovers will be captivated by MARC, Alicante's state-of-the-art archaeological museum that has earned international acclaim for its innovative approach to showcasing the region's rich historical heritage. Housing an impressive collection of over 80,000 meticulously preserved artifacts spanning from prehistoric times through the medieval period, this cutting-edge facility transforms traditional museum experiences into immersive historical journeys. Through sophisticated interactive multimedia displays and groundbreaking augmented reality technology, visitors can witness ancient civilizations spring to life before their eyes. Marvel at exquisitely detailed Roman mosaics, examine perfectly preserved Iberian pottery, and discover priceless artifacts that tell the fascinating story of human civilization in the Mediterranean region. 3. Alicante Central Market. For an authentic glimpse into local Spanish life, the vibrant Central Market is an absolute must-visit destination. This architectural gem, constructed in the early 20th century, stands as a testament to modernist design, with its stunning facade and elegant iron framework. Inside, the market comes alive with over 200 bustling stalls arranged across 2 floors, creating a sensory feast for visitors. Local vendors proudly display an incredible array of fresh Mediterranean produce, just-caught seafood, premium cuts of meat, artisanal cheeses, and traditional Spanish delicacies. The market's atmospheric aisles are filled with the animated chatter of locals, the enticing aromas of fresh herbs and spices, and the vibrant colors of seasonal fruits and vegetables. Take time to admire the building's remarkable architectural details, from its ornate stained glass windows to its decorative ceramic tiles. 2. Bonfires of St. John, Las Hogueras de San Juan. Every June, Alicante transforms into a spectacular festival of fire and celebration during the Bonfires of St. John. This centuries-old tradition sees the city erupt in a dazzling display of color, music, and pyrotechnics as locals welcome the arrival of summer. Elaborate papier-mâché monuments, often reaching heights of several stories, are crafted throughout the year and displayed throughout the city before being ceremoniously burned in a spectacular night of fire. The Bonfire Museum offers visitors a fascinating year-round glimpse into this unique cultural celebration, showcasing the intricate artistry and craftsmanship behind these remarkable temporary monuments. Experience the infectious energy of street parties, traditional music, and nightly firework displays that make this festival an unforgettable highlight of Alicante's cultural calendar. 1. Day trip to Tabarca Island. Just a scenic 50-minute boat ride from Alicante's harbour lies the enchanting Tabarca Island, the Valencia region's only inhabited island. This former pirates' refuge has been transformed into a peaceful Mediterranean paradise, perfect for a day trip escape. Wander through the pristine village with its whitewashed buildings and historic fortifications. Visit the iconic lighthouse that has guided sailors for generations, and unwind on secluded beaches surrounded by crystal-clear waters. The island's protected marine reserve offers exceptional snorkeling opportunities, allowing visitors to discover vibrant underwater ecosystems teeming with colorful Mediterranean marine life.